let's talk a little bit about what we mean by PLM, right? Vault PLM, Fusion Manage is the product that executes product lifecycle management. And the idea of PLM is it manages a product's entire journey from, the ideas that lead to its creation all the way through design, manufacturing, support, and eventually when it gets retired, right? The idea that PLM is a central source of truth for product-related information. And just some of the key aspects of PLM, kind of at a high level, strategic processes, all of the various processes to take, again, an idea through product, delivery of that product and its retirement. There are just a host of processes involved in that activity. And lots of different people involved throughout the entire life cycle of a product. So PLM helps manage that. It also centralizes the information about the product. And that gets you not only everyone being on the same page, but then also, very importantly, the ability to tease information out about, your products and your business as a whole. Collaboration is a key element of PLM. Again, if you've got one place where you can consider this is the true source of data, everyone knows where to go to find that data. They can interact with it and interact with each other around that data much more easily. Workflow automation is a big part of it, right? Making sure things stay moving. So you don't have a manila folder that goes from desk to desk throughout the building. Again, there's one place to go to see where something is, where a process is in its workflow, and notifying people that they've got something to do and reminding people that things need to be done, and one process kicking off another at the right time. All of that can be automated with PLM to make sure things keep moving. Data-driven insights. Again, once you've got all this information in one place and it is the source of truth, you can start using that data to make better informed decisions. And as a result, you can evolve your products more quickly. Your continuous improvement efforts can be more fruitful, and overall you deliver better products in less time with lower cost. Right. So just think about what you need. I mean, every business is different. Everyone executes. There are a lot of similarities, especially in the manufacturing world, but everyone executes certain things really well. And there's usually at least a couple of things in your business and your processes that you could probably do better, right? So just think about the things that you don't necessarily do well or that you think you can improve on, right? Do you need to get to market faster? Do you need to reduce cost or increase efficiency? Do you need more information to make better decisions, right? PLM can help you with all of this, right? Again, faster time to market because of the streamlined processes, improved quality because you've got data at your fingertips, reducing costs because of increased efficiency, eliminating errors and waste, enhanced collaboration, again, because we're breaking down those silos, getting people communicating and getting visibility into things. And then all of that data gives you the ability to make better decisions. So if you're looking to improve your business in one of these areas, you really should be looking at PLM.